Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a hub to your account on the IKEA Home Smart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this second button down below on the left side corner and tap on this Add a Diriger Hub button at the top. Click on Get Started. Here are the products that you need. You should connect the cable to the hub and your router. Then click on the button Next. Then connect the power cable to the hub and plug it in. Click on the button Next. Then you should wait for the ring light to make a full circle. Click on Next or I need help. Here you can take a closer look at the hub. Here you have these problems or problem options. Tap on it and here you can get help. Tap on the button Next and here you can tap on My Hub is ready, and then you will be able to add your hub to your account. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.